Hi Libra! Welcome back sa ating channel. Kumusta kayo guys? Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader at unang-una sa lahat, humihingi ako ng paumanhin kung hindi tayo nakagawa ng reading ninyo ng July at August dahil sa mga kadahilanan na ako po ay may sakit. So, I was on medication actually until now. And may tinapos po kasi kung ang review na kailangan kong gawin para makuha yung certification na gusto ko. And gladly, napagtagumpayan natin yun. However, yung medication ko naman, it's getting better. So, nag-aantay lang ako magpa-ultrasound ulit to see the result. So, please pray for me, guys. At maraming salamat sa mga nagstay ng 2 buwan kahit wala tayong reading sa channel na ito. At sumusubaybay pa rin kayo. Salamat sa pagtitiwala ninyo sa reading natin. And I promise na pag masyadong naging busy, I will still try to find some time. But you know, kasi mas priority ang health above anything else, guys. Kahit sa inyo yan, don't you forget, guys, na mas priority ang health kaysa sa other areas of your life right now na it seems important. No, maraming bagay na importante sa buhay natin, pero ano yung kailangan natin unahin? Health is wealth, and kailangan, we need to take care of ourselves, physical well-being and mental health natin, because in order to function sa buhay, kailangan we feel good about ourselves. Okay? So, enough of that. Ngayon, gagawin muna natin ang reading ninyo for month of September. Collective Libra, no? Sa larangan ng pag-ibig, Libra, para sa buwan ng September. So, nilagay ko na yung disclaimer as usual bago mag-umpisa yung reading, okay? And we already pre-shuffle tong cards na to carefully, pero i-shuffle muna uli natin in front of the camera ng 3 beses. Kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha para sa larangan ng pag-ibig ninyo, Libra. Walang reversals, okay? Okay. Ito ay ang Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reid. 5 baraha para sa ating Libra. Hindi tayo kukuha ng mga lumilipad na baraha kasi gusto kong i-layout yung card natin respectfully, like a traditional approach sa tarot. Pero still, I want to show you itong lumipad na baraha, truth be told. So, there will be communication here. Yun siguro ang nagda-drive or shadow ng reading nyo sa buhay pag-ibig ng ating Libra para sa larangan ng pag-ibig, 5 baraha. Okay? Alright. Unang baraha. Dapat kukuha na ako may lumipad Okay? Unang baraha sa Libra. Ito. Okay. Second card. Shuffle natin. Shuffle natin bawat cards. Alright? Shuffle natin yan. Okay. Second card para sa ating Libra. Okay. Third card. Tingnan natin, guys. Larangan ng pag-ibig, 3 baraha, pang-4, tingnan natin. Okay, sorry, muntik ko na mabuksan. Nakita nyo na ba? Hindi ko pa rin nakita, hindi kasi ako nakatingin sa camera. Okay, pang-5 baraha. Alright, so ito yung love situation, love insights, wisdom, advices, guidance, mga intuitive messages to pagdating sa love life mo, Libra. Unang baraha, meron kang round and around. Meron kang situation na hindi mo mapakawalan. You're going round in circles. Parang nag-end na, nag-start uli, nag-reset uli. Okay? Something na stuck kayo sa situation na yun na walang progress. Okay? So, either ikaw yung partner mo, yung connection is parang you're going round in circles kasi walang nagbabago walang nagtitake ng initiative to change yung situation, no? For something better. Okay? Second card para sa Libra. And you have co-create. So, this is something na siguro tinatry mong i-manifest, no? To build a commitment or relationship or a communion with your other half or your special person. Or kung nasa relationship ka ngayon, maybe siguro nakukulangan tayo ng mga tangible offers from our person or vice versa, no? So, yun, yung co-create na to, yun ang gusto mong mangyari, something solid, no? On the ground na ibibigay sa iyo o mangyayari sa inyong dalawa. It could be commitment, could also be marriage or live-in situation, no? To be with this person long term, okay? It's a commitment. Third card, pero sa kadahilanan parang wala hindi to na ibibigay sa ng person mo. So, ang sinasabi, not for you. It could be, no, ang sinasabi kasi not for you, choose your battles. There are certain situation sa connection na to na hindi natin maaaring ipilit. Ngayon, it doesn't mean na totally decline or rejected, no? Or hindi ibibigay sa'yo. Maybe at this present time, hindi yung battle na kailangan nating i-pick up with our connection, okay? With this person or sa situation. Okay, wag natin munang ipilit. Okay? Kasi parang walang ginagawang movement. Okay? Yung person mo or ikaw to make this co-create happen. Okay? Now, yung fourth card mo pala, milk and honey. So, you see this connection na parang pot at the end of the rainbow, no? Something na tingnan mo, may co-create ka. You could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, may milk and honey. Kasi these are earth signs. So, you could be dealing with an earth sign. But the thing is, parang, hindi mo pa nga makita to, no? Kasi, pag nakita mo yung pot at the end of the rainbow, this is something rare, something na mahirap mahanap, no? At the end of the rainbow, nandun ba yung pot of gold? Nandun ba yung treasure? Okay? So, this is something very rare na dinidesire mo once in a lifetime to, no? Na commitment or opportunity. Okay? But, you know, hindi ibinibigay sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Maybe may kailangan kang gawin sa situation or sa dynamic, no? Kasi, paulit-ulit lang yung nangyayari. Paulit-ulit na didrain, paulit-ulit nag-start, restart chances, ilang chances pa ba? Pero, walang ganap. Okay? It's either yung person mo hindi nag-grow, may immaturity energy dito. Either you or them. But yun nga, walang follow-through, walang actions, or yung mga assurance na talagang paghahawakan mo. Words are just, you know, words. We need proof, okay? Empty words, empty promises. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko, Libra. Okay, final card, Libra, clean it up. So, sinasabi dito, clean it up as good as it gets, no? Kung wala tayong napapala dun sa person, like we're giving more than we receive or we're giving more than what we deserve, okay, from this person, okay, the undeserving, i-deserve nila na i-let go mo muna yung connection na to. Wrap it up, okay, linisin mo muna natin yung dapat nating linisin dito sa problema dito na paulit-ulit, nakakasawa na, nakakadrain na, no? Might as well maybe walk away for the time being kasi may not for you ka, may clean it up ka. Alright? Hindi natin pwedeng i-make up to guys yung mga barahan na to, no? Kasi in alignment sila. Yung gusto mo dito na once in a lifetime commitment to build something with them. No? To plan ahead yung future mo, okay, with them, hindi nila kayang ibigay. Kaya sinasabi dito, choose your battle, learn to walk away on battles na hindi mo naman dapat kailangan pagtuunan ng energy mo kasi waste of time. Okay, na hindi mo dapat ipaglaban. Kung unang-una, yung person na hindi ka rin naman willing ipaglaban. Not willing to work or put an effort dun sa connection, Libra. Okay? Yan yung energy from today all the way to September. Okay? So, kung medyo kailangan nating mag-dive deep, okay, sige. Gawin natin na ano to guys, clarify natin, no? Isa-isa. Tingnan pa natin yung mga narrative. Tingnan natin muna tong round and round, no? Ano ba yung what's going on? Bakit paulit-ulit na cycle to? Stuck ka sa matrix na alam mo yun, hindi mo naman din gustong i-let go. Okay, itong tao na to could be may player type kind of energy, no? Na nag-e-enjoy siya ng paulit-ulit lang. Tapos wala namang plano sa huli na panindigan yung connection. Okay? Ayun, clarify natin tong round and round, no? Yung unang barahan nyo, this one. Okay? Ano tong round and round? Yun yung nararamdaman ko sa person mo and sa connection. Fork in the road. See? You don't know which way to go. Pagdating dito, round and round ka, para kang nasa junction or nasa rotonda, paikot-ikot ka. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Dito ba ang daan or doon sa kabilang daan? Ganon, yung situation. Yun yung energy na nararamdaman ko. You cannot make this up, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Round and round, fork in the road. Basically, the same thing. Walang direction, walang path. Kung saan ka dadalhin ng connection or nung tao na to. Okay? The lack of parang vision sa connection na to. Hindi natin pa mag-grasp. Okay? Ayan siya. Round and fork in the road. Okay? Para lang makita nyo guys, kasi yung camera natin binabaan ko. Ayoko naman ding i-edit sa harapan nyo yung positioning ng camera dahil nagre-record na tayo. Okay? Co-create. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify po yung co-create para sa love situation ng ating mga minamahal na Libra. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ma-release muna tong love reading sa inyo kasi I know, I owe you 2 months of reading. Okay? So, maraming nag-aantay. At thank you guys na hindi kayo bumitaw. Co-create. Tingnan natin Libra, no? Tong co-create muna. Clarify natin tong co-create. Clarify natin tong co-create, no? With this person. Okay? Happy. Okay, yun yung dream mo kasi. Yung medyo positive or optimistic pa rin yung vision mo or yung dinidesire mo with this person. No? Gusto mo maging masaya yung pagsasama ninyo. Parang happy ending, no? You live happily ever after kind of energy, no? It could also be baka hindi mo lang nakikita na alam mo yung red flags dito, yung not for you, round and round, saka clean it up eh. Parang maybe aware ka sa red flags but you're still giving this relationship, this person a chance. Okay, yun yung tingin ko sa'yo. Wala ka naman dun sa energy na gusto mo na talaga siyang i-give up. Kasi nilalaban mo pa. Okay? Pero may advice card ka ditong not for you, no? Sandwich in between ka ng dalawang kulay sa chest, no? White and black. It could be in between, no? Stay neutral. Okay? Or parang you're not choosing any battles or sides. Okay? So, parang feeling ko may patience kind of energy pa rin sa'yo, Libra. Okay? It could also be, no, you're about to give up as well. Nakikita mo na, inaaral mo, tinitemper mo yung situation, yung energy. Okay? Kinokondisyon mo rin yung sarili mo. How to handle rejection, disappointments. Ano tong not for you, Libra? O, chop wood. May last card ka, clean it up. And then may chop wood. Parehas may broomstick. Time to clean the mess, Libra. Okay? Clean up this connection. I-release mo itong munang person na to. Okay? I'm not here to feed your delusions, no? Kasi may mga readers tayo na laging positive, no? We have to honor the cards. If not, then, anong purpose na nag-tarot reading tayo tapos hindi ko ibibigay yung mga advices ng mga spirits and your guides para sa inyo, okay? So, ito yung insights and advices and intuitive messages, okay? It's time to clean up this cycle with them. If you have to end this cycle, huwag mo na muna i-restart, okay? Hayaan mo lang maybe ceasefire, okay? Cool off, okay? No contact. Gawin mo na ang gawin mo, okay? And think things through. Tingnan natin itong milk and honey kasi may dinidesire ka dito na something na fulfilling na alam mo yun kasi parang one true love, ganyan yung mga natin eh. Sana dumating na yung taong para sa atin talaga na magbibring sa atin ng commitment, ng long-term commitment, ng marriage, stability, and security. Okay? Na parang ang hirap naman hanapin ng person na yun. Saan na ba siya? Okay? Baka nasa ibang side siya ng mundo, nasa ibang parte ba siya ng, alam mo, Pilipinas, wala sa inner circle mo, wala rin ba sa trabaho mo, wala ka bang makitang iba. So, parang you're in soul searching, kumbaga. Para ang hirap. Ito yung much coveted mo, no? Na person or love. Okay? Na until now, dinidesire mo. Okay? Ano tong milk and honey here? Sa love situation ng Libra, meron kang to be fair. Okay? So, balance Libra, no? Justice card yan. It's a Libra energy. Lumabas din. Don't worry kasi, ang feeling ko, it could also be a reward. Okay, Libra? When it comes to this love situation with this person, or in your love life in general, not necessarily this person, kasi ang ina-advise nga, clean up this mess, no? Na parang entangled na with this person, no? And you will get a reward. Yun yung sinasabi dito. It could be a new person, a new love interest. It could also be a commitment. Who knows? Pag nag-set ka ng boundary with this person, magkakaroon to ng wake-up call. Itong taon to na, ano ba talaga gusto ko? Gusto ko ba i-keep si Libra or hindi? Kasi sawa na siya sa akin eh. Hindi daw ako nagbabago, walang growth, walang progress yung commitment. Okay? You need to be fair for yourself also. Okay? Respect your boundaries, respect din yung ano mo, what you want, what you deserve. Okay? So, you will attract the right people. Ma-attract mo tong milk and honey na hinahanap mo. Okay? So, clean it up. Okay? About to release this person, this connection, this energy for now. Ceasefire muna. Okay? Or cool off. Or talagang official breakup to. Who knows? Diba? There will be a second time around. We never know. Pero I feel like parang nasa stuck ka na dun sa ilang chances na binigay mo dito sa person na to. Pagod ka na eh. Okay? Nakakapagod, nakakadrain. So, tanggalin na natin tong energy na to, Libra. Okay, let's clarify tong clean it up para sa ating mga minamahal ng Libra, no? Clean it up. Let's clarify this. Clarify po natin to. Clean it up na to. I think you need to release this person, Libra. Okay? Clean it up. Meron tayong no place like home. Yeah, it could be a household situation, a domestic situation. Also, you're in a partnership, you're in a marriage already. Pwede rin na you're in a commitment with this person, relationship. Okay? So, ang sinasabi dito, no? Linisin natin yung energy, yung declutter doon sa situation sa home mo rin. Specifically, could be, you know, it's a time for you to declutter and, you know, i-keep lang yung mga things, invite things sa buhay natin na only good, okay? Yung magdadala sa atin ng mga good vibes, good energy. So, yun yung tingin ko dito, Libra, to be at peace with yourself, to be kind to yourself, no? It's time for you na mag-detox tayo. Really certain people, certain behaviors and patterns na that's no longer serving us. Okay? I think yun yung kailangan. It's also applying sa life mo in general. Okay? Change the dynamic, change the pattern, change your routine specifically. Okay? Now, sana nag-resonate yung love situation mo, no? And let's move on muna sa inyong, ano naman, sa inyo namang, love, and then, career. Sa career nyo naman, and general life situation, Libra. Okay? Let's see what's going on sa ating Libra. Gagamitin natin ang Beautiful Creatures Tarot. So, shuffle na natin to earlier on, really, really well. So, we shuffle this card really, really well. Pero, i-shuffle ulit natin sa camera, no? So, 5 baraha, no? General life situation, career, finances to. Para sa ating mga minamahal na Libra. Para sa buwan ng September. Unang baraha. Alright? Second card. Second card. Okay. Third. Tingnan natin. Okay. Wala pong reversals. Okay. I know how to read reversals, guys. As listed, ayokong gawin. Kasi maraming negative cards na baraha when you read them upright. Okay. And we will clarify each cards anyway. Okay. So, yan, guys. So, 5 baraha sa general life situation nyo, advices, intuitive messages, what's going on, career and finances. Meron kang decadence, abruption, something that was put on hold or biglang na-shaken up. Nagkaroon kayo ng power moment recently, something unexpected that had happened recently, recent past, or parang nangyari na to already last year or in the past, okay? Parang you feel stuck, parang you feel stagnant right now in your life. Okay, walang nag-flow na energy right now. Yung parang incoming energy. So, parang yung whatever that you have right now, resources, people around you, career, life, situation, or love life mo, everything there, or most of them, is stuck, walang movement. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Okay, and parang you're kind of fed up na parang kailan ba magkakaroon ng positive changes naman from where I am right now sa buhay ko. Okay, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. Knight of Wands, desire. So, may papasok na energy sa inyo, no? when it comes to your career and finances, magkakaroon ka uli ng interest to make some changes. Room for changes sa buhay mo. Sa trabaho, and kung nawalan ng trabaho, magkaka-interest ka uli mag-apply. Okay, for some reason, mababalik yung mojo mo, yung interest mo. Okay, to pursue your goals and desires. Okay, it could also be sa love life mo, there's an incoming person that could be, coming in for you. But be careful kasi ang Knight of Wands medyo, naughty, playful energy, sexual energy. Okay? So, be cautious of the intention. When it comes to career mo and finances, I think there will be a surge of parang interest uli na to, alam mo yun, i-improve yung situation mo. Okay? Sa buhay. Third card, for Libra. Okay, meron kang 5 of Pentacles, poverty, no? So, right now, there's a struggle, no? Finances and life situation in general. Okay? It's been hard for you the last few months, the last few years. Okay? There was a struggle. It could also be some people left you out in the cold, abandoned you. Okay? They were just there sa times na masaya ka or successful ka. Okay? Kasi dahil dito sa abruption na to. But it did not let you down. For some reason siguro nalungkot tayo, no, dito sa abruption na to. But you will pick up where you left off, no? May bagong energy na papasok sa'yo na magiging interested ka uli, no? Excited ka to try new things uli. To pursue, make some changes sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. Gusto mo magkaroon ng bagong trabaho or gusto mong magkaroon ng change or improvement sa situation mo sa work and sa pera, no? Most importantly, kasi there's some sort of poverty here. 5 of Pentacles kasi when it comes to money, you're holding on to your resources right now. Kasi like I said nga, parang walang pumapasok, no? Ng mga incoming new energies, no? But eventually, yung Knight of Wands nagbigay ng sign dito na don't lose hope kasi babalik yung spirit mo, yung enthusiasm mo, yun yung hinanap kong word, yung sense mo for life uli. Okay, babalik or bumalik na. As of this time, as we speak, and by September, okay, you will be back on track. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. You need to pick up dun sa financial situation mo, sa stability and security mo. I kind of feel like you need to chicken up. You could lose a job, nawalan ka ng trabaho, nawalan ng negosyo, anything related to something tangible yung nawala sa'yo. It could also be people who left you or out in the cold. Okay, yun din yun. Emotionally, alam mo yung emotional poverty as well. We were left out, we were abandoned by people na hindi natin in-expect na iiwan tayo. Okay? Fourth card here, Libra, meron tayong the habit, no, dependency. So, you could be, have this dependency on certain people or situations, no? Right now, because I feel like maybe you're wounded. Makikita mo tong cat na to, nag-rely siya dito sa babae na to na may sugat, no? Na-sketch siya nung pusa, no? It's about, someone's nurturing you right now or you're nurturing somebody else, okay? But more importantly, may dependency issue right now ngayon sa buhay mo and you wish na parang you will be more dependent this time kasi meron kang poverty and abruption here. So, you need some help from other people right now. And you need to get out of that dependency. Probably hindi ka sanay Hindi ka sanay na may inaasahan ka or may umaasa sa'yo. It's okay. You have a nurturing energy. Yes. Pero, nasa point ka ngayon ng life mo na medyo mahirap yung life situation mo ngayon. Okay? I kind of feel like it's something to do talaga sa pera at sa trabaho, no? Yung medyo nahinto, may progress na nangyayari. Eventually, parang biglang, ano nangyari? Bakit nawala lahat sa akin? Okay, Libra? Ganong energy. But still, yung desiring spirit mo, don't lose that. Kasi ang Knight of Wands, goal-getter yan. Charge here, tapos punta na naman sa kabila. Ganun, parang may side hustle, maraming racket, maraming ideas, maraming plano, saka doer sila. So, yun ang maganda, Libra, no? May mga dependency issue ngayon din sa buhay mo. Parang, siguro, may mga tao nakadepende din sa'yo, diba? And you don't want to let them down, or you were let down. Itong mga taong tong you need to depend on. Parang ganun, no? Okay, fifth card. Choose whatever resonates. Meron kang curiosity. Like, if someone's observing, is spying on you, alam nyo yun, someone's experimenting here, Okay? You're curious. It could be also other people. Pero ika-clarify natin, no? Let's clarify muna po tong paranormal curiosity for Libra, no? Sa life situation nila. It could also be, no, mga tao na ina-stalk ka social media, curious about what's going on sa buhay mo. Ano tong curiosity or mga marites? Six of Wands, victory. Okay. I do think na iniisip mo, no, curious ka how to manifest success sa buhay mo. Okay? Or there are people na curious din whether you will succeed. They're watching you, Libra. Okay? Yun yung tingin ko dito, no. May bolang kristal, and tinitingnan mo, you're diving deep, no, how to be successful na this time. Kasi may Knight of Wands ka, may desire ka, and may victory dito, no. Yun yung tingin kong saan ka patutungo by September. Okay? Iniisip mo, paano ka magiging successful muli. How you will be back on track, Libra. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dun sa, ano mo, curious ka. Okay? So, may action kang gagawin dito. Ano naman tong habit or dependency issue, Libra? Meron kang Seven of Cups, delusions. Okay, you could be, you know, you have so many things going on sa buhay mo, sa mind mo, na it's clouding your judgment, Libra. Okay? Marami kang gustong ma-achieve, pero parang wala nga pang nagmamaterialize ngayon. Nako-confuse ka. Okay? So, it could be some people are feeding you with delusions. Empty promises, no? Okay? So, parang nakadepende ka dun sa mga tao na yun na nag-feed sa'yo ng mga maling information, ng delusions, or mga or confusion, no? I think tong dependency na to could also be an issue right now sa'yo, or it's burdening you dahil mas nako-confuse ka kung saan ka dapat mag-focus, okay? So, try to focus lang muna at a particular goal sa buhay mo, na yun muna yung i-fix mo, okay? Nape-pressure ka, nararamdaman ko yon kasi may dependency nga sa delusion, no? Hindi ka maka-make up ng mind mo, ano yung decision-making skills mo na naapektuhan din, parang you're all over the place, okay? So, try not to focus on so many things, yung advice dito, okay? So, yung goal mo rin siguro, marami ring parang dependency, may inaantay. In order to be here, parang gano'n, kailangan ko munang gawin to. Tapos, meron pang isa dito, gusto ko marating to, kailangan muna, gawin ko muna to, bago ko marating yun. So, parang gano'n, no? So, try to focus muna sa isang bagay na gusto mo munang matapos. Kasi, I feel like yung mga goals mo, or gusto mong ma-achieve, no? Yung mga sa buhay, sa career man yan, or finances, no? They need time to build. So, wag tayong mag-rush ng sabay-sabay sa mga bagay na gusto nating ma-achieve, no? Mag-focus ka muna sa isa. Pag na-achieve mo yun, focus ka ulit sa second goal, no? Ganon. Ngayon, ano tong Five of Pentacles and poverty, no? Kasi, it's clear, pero i-clarify natin to. Ano po ba tong Five of Pentacles poverty for Libra? Okay, sa life nila in general. For September, Libra, generosity. Okay, you could be, no, someone's not giving you what you deserve, Libra. Okay? Pwede rin na you've been generous to them, you've been, yung connection mo with other people, you've been, alam mo yun, reliable and dependable. Okay? Yun yung nararamdaman mo. Kaya may dependency issue ka dito. May devil card dito. There are things that's clouding you. May mga priority ka na ayaw mo i-let go. Ang dami-dami. No? So, yun nga sinasabi, you've been deluded, no? With so many ideals na dapat i-prioritize mo muna. Isa, dalawa muna at a time. Then, focus ka sa next goal. So, i-plan mo yun, Libra. Wag sabay-sabay. Tapos, meron din dito na parang you've been a nurturer, no? Pero at the end, parang hindi nila naibalik yung energy na yun. Okay? Libra? Whether to sa usaping pera, sa career din as well, parang ginamit yung skills mo and then, hindi ka naman na-promote. For example, sa life situation, masyado kang mapagbigay pero wala ka namang nakukuha sa ibang tao. So, parang may regret tayo sa mga experiences na nangyari din. Okay? Yung tingin ko dito eh. Pero tingnan natin tong Knight of Wands desire, no? For September to, tingnan natin, no? So, mga warnings to and advices. Ano po tong desire? Libra, meron kang fondness, Ace of Cups. So, yeah. It could be sa love mo, no? Pero may papasok dito na may gusto sa'yo. Okay? Pero be clear of the intention na protect your heart here. Tong Ace of Cups na to kasi is about loving yourself. Okay? And parang single to. Okay? It could be them, it could be you na single, okay? Or just healing or loving yourself for now. Pero may papasok na tao na mag-express sa'yo ng interest, but it could be sexual or physically attracted to you, okay? So, you have to be careful din dito sa person na papasok, okay? Protect your heart. Guard it at all costs. Okay, sa abruption naman, tingnan natin to, guys. Libra, sa abruption. Ito yung insight lamang ng snapshot ng buhay natin in general from today all the way to September, no? So take it however it resonates. Itong abruption, tower moment. Ano to? Queen of Wands, determination. See, you cannot make this up. You are very determined talaga sa buhay, Libra, no? Parang goal getter ka. Marami kang na-achieve, marami kang pang gustong ma-achieve. Ambitious as well, may plano sa buhay, matalino, okay? Ikaw yan eh, determined ka to be more successful, nandiyan ang victory. Okay, ang naging problema, talagang may dumating lang na pagsubok, na shaken up, yung mga tinayo mo, yung pangarap mo, yung financial stability mo, okay? Yung love life mo rin, kasama na dun. So, parang, yun yung naging dahilan. Ano to? Universe, ano na to? Alam mo yun, divine na nakaguhit sa tadhana, wala tayong magagawa. Okay, something inevitable, hindi maiwasan. Hindi to kinos natin. Hindi tayo nag-cause ito, hindi ibang tao nag-cause ito. Talagang dumating. Pagsubok sa buhay. Okay? So, yung determination, Libra, wag mong iwawala yan. Ha? Stay curious, stay hungry. May curiosity ka dyan. Stay ambitious kasi gusto mo pa rin mapagtagumpayan. Kahit dumaan ka sa pagsubok ngayon, dumadaan ka ngayon sa challenges ngayon, nararamdaman ko yan kasi itong gitna. It's still, no? Sa larangan ng pag-ibig, guard your heart dito sa Knight of Wands. Make sure alam mo yung intention nila. Pagdating naman sa people around you and sa money, guys, and career, no? Generous ka. So, lessons learned here, there are people na nag-let down sa'yo. Okay, you don't deserve that. Okay? May mga people na nakadepende sa'yo. Or may mga dependencies ka sa goals mo ngayon, then naghihinder para ma-achieve mo yung goal na yun. So, nalilito ka, paano mo ma-achieve lahat. Wag mo nang ganon. Mag-focus ka muna sa isa, dalawa, until ma-clear out mo. Okay? Step by step. Ano muna yung pinaka-priority mo sa lahat ng mga dreams and aspirations mo. Sa career ba? O sige, mag-focus ka muna kung anong kailangan mong gawin para makuha mo yung dream job mo. Okay? Kung sa finance ba, anong dapat mong gawin sa finances mo ngayon to turn it around para mag-grow. Yun muna. Ganun yung mga focus. Ano ba? Love life ba yung focus mo ngayon? But be careful, guys. Question the intention or feel the vibe of that person first. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate yung reading na to for the month of September para sa inyo, Libra. I see you guys on your next Tagalog reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Libra. Bye!